Hello and welcome to Bonkers for Boho from Art Joy is Sharing. This is the fast version of a live stream that we do each Thursday. Chelsea and I share a channel and do live streaming each Thursday at 10:30 a.m. Central Time. So I'm just talking about different things that pertain to imagery that's considered boho, and just showing some different techniques. If you're interested in seeing the full hour-and-a-half version, go to Art Joy of Sharing, which is another YouTube channel, and you can watch the live stream even after the fact. So I'm showing different papers that I had created the evening before, and showing how you can enhance these to give it more of the boho look. Talking about the different types of paper, how you can create these mandala type images on a piece of paper, and just showing the use of pens and templates and things for your creation, for your memorable, or not memorable, for your enjoyment. So I am working on this piece, which is just a painted piece of paper that I have used some Posca pens and some other pens and some, different embellishments on. And that's mostly what I did for most of the live show, was to work on this particular piece. I'm going to just speed through this, show you a few shots of other things that I have created and some final shots, and that will be it for me today. Like I said, if you want to join Art Joy is Sharing, we are a Facebook group, and there's a lot of other artists that participate in the monthly challenges, so you can see what they're doing over there. And I hope you come and find us. So thanks for stopping by today, and be sure and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this sort of thing, and I'll see you again next week. So bye for now.